So I could not transplant when we did the nursery bed because we were in a hot season. So I kept my seedlings in the bed for 5 months. How do you keep your seedlings in the bed without them getting wasted? There are some medicines that Mr. Dale gave me that I've been using, like Green Miracle, to spray on, and I manage it to slow down its growth. Instead of you transplanting in that hot season, yet you cannot maintain the garden in the hot season. So we delayed the growth of the nursery bed so that we can transplant in the rainy season. So when you see this garden, it has spent 7 months so far. 2 months here and the 5 months which were in the bed, and they spent the 5 months in the bed because we delayed their growth.